Going to show you how to make your own yogurt at home using only 2 basic ingredients. For the ingredients, 2 liters of whole milk. I prefer to use whole milk or full cream milk which has higher fat content for better taste and thickness. You can also use low fat or skim milk if you prefer. For the procedure, 1. Place 2 liters of whole milk in the pot. And then heat to 82 to 85 degrees centigrade at medium fire. Continue stirring while heating to avoid burning the bottom. Usually this takes around 10 minutes. Now it's around 9 minutes since we started heating the milk, and you can see small bubbles, little bubbles sticking on the side of the pan. So 10 minutes is over. I turn off the stove. So from the stove, we'll put the pot in a basin with cold water, and we'll cool the milk to lukewarm temperature around 43 to 45 degrees centigrade. So we're now ready to prepare our starter. I'm using this plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons. In order to mix well, I'm also putting 3 tablespoons of our milk, and then we'll mix this using this whisk. And then we'll pour this into the milk. Then whisk the milk to mix the starter thoroughly. After mixing thoroughly, we'll cover the pot with this towel to maintain the warm temperature. Of course, we'll put this in a warm place, and in my case, I'll put this in the oven. Of course, we'll not light the oven. Okay, so we'll wait for 6 to 10 hours. So after 9 hours, we're ready to check our yogurt. Let's see the thickness of this. Wow, look at that. Wow. I'm ready to try this with chunks of apple and honey. Let me taste our plain yogurt first before we mix it with apple and honey. Sourness is just fine. So we'll mix 1 scoop of this. We'll mix with chunks of apple, and then we'll put a little honey to this. you can add honey, concentrated syrup like strawberry, or even concentrated juice, and even chunks, fruits like apple, strawberry, and other fruits that you like. So that's how easy it is to make this yogurt. Try this recipe and you can stop buying yogurt from the store. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be updated with my coming videos. Thank you very much and God bless.